was healed through Jesus. Jesus rose from the dead, and he had given the power and authority to the disciples to preach the gospel in his name, and by his name, and faith in his name. When he rose from the dead, this man is healed. That was a cripple. Verse 3, and they laid hands on them and put them in the hole until the next day, for it was now evening tide. So, this religious sect, Sadducees and chief priests and the guards of the temple, captains of the temple, they're a 501c3 corporation. They probably didn't call it that, but that's what they are. It's a corporation. It's a business. It's about the money. And so that's what's going on. Jesus, Yahuah already said that the Pharisees, they're lovers of money. And so the disciples are cutting in on their business. People are getting healed, and they're believing that Jesus, Yahuah, is the Messiah of Yisrael. And so they're not coming to listen to them and paying them tithes and offerings. So they're getting all upset and angry. They're a corporation. And so they're the ruling class. They have authority from Rome to do what they want to do over the children of Israel. And so they had authority that allowed them to put Peter and John in jail for a day for preaching the gospel of the temple. I mean, the gospel of the kingdom in the temple. And so they was over the temple. And so what Peter and John was preaching, they didn't like it. So they laid hands on them and put them in hole until the next day, for it was now evening tide, till they figured out what they was going to do to them. Verse 4, how